Assalamualaikum students, we are starting question number 7b of exercise 10F. The question states that the gradient of straight line this is equal to the gradient of a line this. Find the value of k. We are given two lines and the equations are given, and we are going to find the value of k by using this condition, right? So firstly we will find the gradient of this line, and we know that the general form of equation of line is y equals to mx plus c. So we will rearrange this equation to get a form which is similar to this one. So firstly I need y here, right? So I'm gonna divide whole of equation by 2k minus 1 so that I get y here. So on dividing, okay, let's just do all the steps. 2k minus 1 and divided by 2k minus 1 plus k plus 1 over into x divided by 2k minus 1 equals to 3, right? Now here this whole term will be cancelled by this one, and I will have y plus k plus 1 into x over 2k minus 1 equals to, you will divide this one 2 by 2k minus 1, because we will have to divide the whole equation. 2k minus 1, right? Now I'll take this term on the opposite side and I will get y equals to minus, it will become minus on the opposite side, minus k plus 1 into x over 2k minus 1 plus 3 over 2k minus 1. Now look at the equation, general equation of line, which is this one. Now I have a similar form to this equation. I have the gradient m here, this value, and this one is c. This is gradient m, which is being multiplied by x, plus this is c in this equation, right? So I can write that the gradient of that first equation is, let's name that by m1. The gradient of that first equation is minus k plus 1 over 2k minus 1. This is the gradient of first equation. Now look at the second equation. The second equation is given by, and it's y equals to 3x minus 7. If you look at the general form of equation of line, it's already similar to the general form, right? So from here I by comparing I can see that m is equals to 3 for this equation. So I'm naming its gradient by m2, and m2 is equals to 3, right? Now this condition which is given in the question is that the gradient of this line and these lines are equal. So it means that m1 is equals to m2. I can write that both the gradients are equal. This is the given condition in the question, this one. So I will substitute the values. m1 is minus k plus 1 over 2k minus 1 equals to 3, right? Now we will simplify this equation. I'll have minus k plus 1, and by cross multiplying this term will be multiplied by 3 into 2k minus 1. So minus k minus 1 is equals to 3 into 2k, 6k minus 3, right? And on further simplifying you will get the value of k equals to 2 over 7. And that's all.